prolific scientist, an amazing leader, a great teacher and writer, an inspiration to millions out there. Yet, a very noble and honest man. Yes, I'm talking about none other than the former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Additional to all of this, Dr. Kalam was best known for his promotion of education and his love towards students. To honor his efforts, in 2010, the United Nations organizations declared his birthday, October 15, as World Students' Day. And we, the students of class 11th, are here to make you all a bit more aware about this day and the doings of Dr. Kalam by a short assembly. Late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an eminent personality. He was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He worked as a scientist and administrator in Defence Research and Developing Organization and in Indian Space Research Organization, popularly known as DRDO and ISRO. Dr. Kalam also gave very valuable contribution towards India's civilian space and military missile programs before becoming the 11th President of India. Often referred to as the Missile Man of India for his work and People's President for his term at office, Dr. Kalam was well known for his insightful lectures to students and motivated them to achieve academic intelligence. His love for students finds best voice when he said, "Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in actions." He famously said that teachers are the builders of society, and the society can only be built when students are made proficient in not only academics but also life subjects. He further added, educationists should make capabilities to students of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among them and make them their role models. He truly dedicated his most life to education.
Lord, I offer my life to you, everything I've been through. Use it for your glory. Lord, I offer my days to you, lifting my praise to you as a pleasing sacrifice. Lord, I offer you my life. Things in the past, things yet unseen, wishes and dreams that are yet to come true. All of my hopes and all of my plans, my heart and my hands are lifted to you. Lord, I offer my life to you, everything I've been through. Use it for your glory. Lord, I offer my days to you, lifting my praise to you as a pleasing sacrifice. Lord, I offer you my life.
Good morning. I am Zishan Javed of class 11B. Let's take an oath to honor the efforts made by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for the betterment of students and society. I will be a good citizen of my country, for my family, for my society and for my nation. I will never get addicted to liquor and gambling, and I will always try to retrieve at least 5 people from addiction and help them to lead a better life. As a youth of my nation, I will work hard with courage to achieve success in all my tasks and enjoy the success of others. My national flag flies in my heart, and I will bring glory to my state and to my nation.
Greetings everyone, this is J. Shivyarao of class 11th. The birth anniversary of former President APJ Abdul Kalam on October 15 is observed as World Students' Day. Dr. Kalam was a great teacher an eminent scientist, and a great statesman. For his unique quality of being close to common people, especially youngsters, he is lovingly referred to as a people's president. After completing his term as the 11th President of India, Dr. Kalam went back to teaching on the very next day. On World Students' Day, we remember how he encouraged students to dream big and never be afraid of failure. Dr. Kalam was a role model for teachers also. Good teachers make great human beings, Dr. Kalam believed. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had once said in his address at the presentation of National Award to Teachers in 2004 that the creativity is indeed the result of the education process and the environment of the school, and above all, the teacher's capability in igniting the minds of students. The essence of it can be seen in the following verses. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Dr. Kalam has received several awards including Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, Veer Savarkar Award, Ramanujan Award, etc. So now we have come to know that World Students' Day is annually celebrated on 15th October on the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. No doubt he had inspired millions of youth through his works, achievements, books, lectures, etc. And today also he inspires. He was a simple personality that will always be remembered. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, everyone.
Good morning,
How are you
ma'am.
all doing?
We are all fine, ma'am.
Well, so do you all know about today's importance?
Yes, ma'am. Today is World Students' Day. But, ma'am, will you tell us why is it celebrated?
It is marked as a birth anniversary of one of our former presidents.
Ma'am, it is our People's President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary.
Absolutely correct.
But, ma'am, why do we celebrate to Students' Day?
Again, a good question. UNO announced this occasion to felicitate the contributions and works of Dr. Kalam in space research. Dr. Kalam stated that students should hold an aim in life and acquire knowledge through all possible sources. They should put in hard work and never accept defeat by the problem. Instead, always defeat the problem and gain success. So, kids, do you know about any of the achievements of Dr. Kalam?
Yes, ma'am. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work in the development of ballistic missiles and launching vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technological, and political role in India's Pokhran second nuclear test in 1998.
Speaking of his achievements, the Government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his works with ISRO and DRDO. In 1997, Kalam received India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. In 2013, he was the recipient of one Bronze Award.
Okay, good amount of knowledge. Does anyone know about International Students' Day?
Yes, ma'am, I do. The International Students' Day is celebrated every year to focus on availing education for all students. The day aims to ensure that every student has access to education around the globe. The date of November 17th was chosen to commemorate as the International Students' Day due to the events that took place in the Prague during World War II. By the way, Harsh, do you remember some of Dr. Kalam's quotes?
Yep, I do remember some of Dr. Kalam's quotes. Like he said, to succeed in your mission, you will have to be steadfast in your mission. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. Dream is not what you see when you sleep. Dream is something that don't let you sleep.
Wow, kids, it was lovely interacting with you all. And since you all know these things, do you know one dearest thing to him?
What is it, ma'am?
He cherished to spend most of the time with students. World Students' Day is dedicated to all the students around the globe. This day is celebrated globally to encourage and lead students in the right direction. I hope you all grow up to be what you dream of. You all and all the world, all the children around the globe hold the futures of the country in your little hands. May God bless you, children. Wishing you all a very happy Students' Day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Greetings everyone. Today we are presenting some thoughts of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Gaining knowledge is an endless journey which continues throughout the life. Education system should be like that. It must retain smiles on the faces of the children and must develop a human character. One must not only know how to handle success but also must know how to handle failures. What is the secret of success? To make right decisions. How do you make right decisions? By gaining experience. How do you gain experience? By making wrong decisions. The important thing is to make decisions. Whether it is right or wrong is secondary. You will soon receive the feedback of it and it will help you in progress. Thank you.
Don't be afraid of facing failure at first attempt, because even in maths, it starts with zero only. Being failed in some event or failed to accomplish your dream is like tragedy for today's youngster. But it doesn't matter. A person should never give up. He should try till the end. Like our missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who never gave up.
Our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said,
Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. So, learn and discover new things and acquire enough knowledge to change the world by your own creativity and have self-esteem in you that you can make a great difference in this beautiful world.
A famous quote by our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, states, "Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model." The creativity is indeed the result of the education process, the environment of school, and above all, the teacher's capability of igniting the minds of the students. The essence of it can be seen in the following verses. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Thank you.
All the performances were wonderful. They reminisced the great work of Dr. Kalam and made you all, hopefully, a bit more aware about World Students' Day. Students are indeed a future of a country. They are the minds who lead a country forward. No matter of the difference in their background or their field of interest. But those people who are willing to gain knowledge should always be celebrated. And as the last note, we would like to bid our farewell by thanking God Almighty who gave us the strength to plan and execute this assembly. Our principal, Sister Marin, who let us organize this event. Special thanks to all our lovely teachers who helped us and guided us in performing. And shout out to all the students who participated in this assembly and put their efforts in it. Thank you very much.